Alright, I think your belly starts with the Goodman. Goodman, right there. There's a lot of Goodmans here. There's a Goodman. The one starts up. Not burning hot. Burning ice cold. See the tones here. It's a GSX 14018G. Low is 200. I can't see the date. Okay, that's the date. So, okay, that's from 2015.
765, this 102.
Yes.
Cincinnati scale, negative on the van scale.
This is our first time carrying in a Goodman. One starts, this one shuts off here, and that one might. I think this one might start up here. These two, I think that one starts up. And that one. And I hope you stay safe. See you later. Later.